Here's my 1965 Minneapolis Moline 108 low band. This just came in from Nebraska. It was a barn find. It is a dirty girl. There's no engine. Seat pan. I'm not sure if I can save that or not. But it's not rusted out. It's a legit 1965. Hood's got a couple of dents. The band has got some damage to it, and unfortunately I just sold one, so I kind of kicked myself. Let's see if I can get the hood open. Someone cut the grill because it's supposed to stop, and that's a headlight panel, and they did a bunch of welding. So I'm gonna just, this is my restoration project that we're gonna start now, and all new tires, brand new engine, new tires, new wiring, new seat, new decals, new paint, rebuild the transmission. We're going to do top to bottom, and I'm just going to make a bunch of videos. Alright, the 65 low band is all washed. It's been painted who knows how many times. But I think a little hammer and dolly work, I can save the hood. The shifter panel, it's in really nice shape. It's not pitted. The transmission has minimal play in the axle shafts, which is good. I'm going to put new seals in it and clean it. Seat pan, it looks rusty, but it's actually surface and it should clean up very well. I think I can fix this. I have new seats coming for this and the T800. I have a brand new K181 complete engine coming for it. I got everything to put this back together. But like I said earlier, the cutting that grill just really kind of upset me a little bit. Some of the wiring still left over. What people don't realize is all these older tractors, a lot of them ran the wiring harness for a Kohler, which is very common. And I cheat and I buy a Cub Cadet, like 72, 73 wiring harness, and it's color coded. Everything is there, and it's just a simple application of putting it in. A couple of things need to be modified. Like the cable from the starter gen and field and starter gen to their respective places need to be modified, just lengthened a little bit, but it looks so nice and color coded, and it just easy, no soldering, no hard work. I have a parking brake to install on this. I haven't decided what I'm doing about tires yet, because if you notice, it's got the narrow fronts and the wide backs. I'm probably going to do, I want to get wides on this one. I think I'm going to get wide front rims and do the V61s. So yeah, it's a pretty solid tractor, just beat up and modified, but a little love and it'll go a long ways. I wish I would have got the deck. I got I do have grass to mow. That's coming out. I'm gonna put a shed there. I got too many tractors.